as if it was over. Lord, you made a way, and we're standing here only because you made a way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okayyy, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Come in. So for this video, I know I am 2 weeks late. Please don't come for me. I ordered the same day Shayla and Colourpop launched this, like literally minutes. They launched by 6 p.m. and I bought it by 6:08. Yes, I was that dedicated. But it takes Colourpop 2 weeks to ship to Nigeria, so that's why this video is coming at this time. At least it's not as late as my Fenty Beauty, so let's be grateful to God for that. Just look at this. Do you know the first time when she showed the picture of this thing, my favorite part was the fact that it had purple. I'm sure you guys know by now that purple is my favorite color. So I bought the Perception palette. I got the gloss because what is Okayyy without gloss? And I got the You guys, if you follow Shayla, I've been seeing people mispronounce this name and I feel very angry in my soul. If you're a follower of Shayla, you should know by now how she pronounced this. It's not it's not it's you should be able to pronounce it well. And then I got the highlighter in Pose. This package is just so stunning. So let me tell you two of my favorite things about this package, apart from this old drip drop thing and the old reflectiveness. That's just by the way. Mirror. It has a mirror. We all know the struggle of holding a makeup palette and having to look at the mirror. She just saves us the stress, so it has a mirror. Number two, the names of the eyeshadow. If you're a beauty blogger and you always have to list the names of things, you know how difficult it is when you don't know the names of the eyeshadow you're using. So the names of the eyeshadows are inside and on the outside too. Sorry. And on the outside, and it's according to how the colors are inside. So we have the Unbothered Titus. I think that's my favorite name. If you follow Shayla, you know that Titus is a dog that passed. It was such a cute dog, by the way. And strut and slay. That's how Shayla closes all her videos. Remember to strut and slay. Yes, girl. Thick Shayla is. That's something Shayla is. Everybody knows. We have Played Out and Shade. So let me give you guys a close-up. There are 16 colors and there are 4 matte shades. You know one thing I'm grateful about this palette? The transition shades are dark skin friendly. I have watched people lighter than I am and people darker than I am review this palette, and every single color was showing on their skin. One color does not have to be useless to me, if you understand. We know some palettes that some transition colors only show on people that are not so melanated, if there's any word like that. Then we have the highlighter. She came out with 2 colors actually, Booming and Pose. So this is Pose. I think this is $7. This is $23. So let me show you the highlighter. Ooh, it's such a pretty gold color. Can you guys see? And then this is the lipstick. Ooh, it has a rose gold case. How many of us know that to find a peachy nude for a dark skin girl is let's just forget about it. So this is a peachy nude. So let me swatch it for you. Look at that. Yes. And we have the gloss. If you are a member of my channel, of which if you're not, please subscribe. We are fun here, or we try to be fun. We are always in high spirits, so please subscribe, click the like button and leave a comment. If you're joining for the first time, leave a comment. I'd like to know where you're from. And my OGs was popping. So the gloss is called Knit Freak and it's a glitter gloss. It's just so pretty. It's kind of like reflective. So let's move on to the eyes. I've already gone ahead to prime my lid and set it. I don't know the look I want to create too, so we're just going to go with the flow. Okay, let's do this. Shayla, once again, I'm thankful for this mirror. It's not small and it's not too big. Oh, by the way, the size is just perfect. I feel like it's kids friendly and travel friendly. Like it's not too big, like compared to my palm, and it's not small either. So it's just perfect. I'm going to be using the matte. I'm going to be touching like randomly. Okay, so I'm moving into thick. Yes, I feel like I know what I want to create, at the same time I don't. I almost had sleepless nights trying to decide on what to do. Let me take this stick a bit higher because your girl has hooded lids. Shout out to Alisa Ashley. She's the one repping for all hooded lid ladies out there. I'm going to do the 4 transition colors. Let's just keep it moving. This is Revenge on the outside. Can you see how pigmented this color is? Okay, before I go transition crazy, let me deepen it up a bit. So to deepen it, I'm going to use the dark brown. Oh wow, look, that's just one, like I literally just touched it a bit and I just see Shayla came to snatch edges. What? I think my favorite color on this palette is Played Out. I won't even lie. So I love this color. It's like a poppy wine. It's a poppy wine, like a wineish color. It's so pretty. I'm trying to be inspired by my backdrop, so let's see how it will turn out. I don't know why I'm just so drawn to the dark colors on this palette.
You made a way.
I'm mixing shade and September now. Are you guys seeing this? I really hope you are. You know, one thing I love about this palette and the color choices, is it color choices or color combination? Anyway, the colors on the palette is that if you're someone that likes to be adventurous with color, you have a lot to be happy about when it comes to this palette. And if you're someone that is just like trying to just enter makeup a bit, like you haven't really found what works for you, I think you would like this palette, because if you want to play it safe, you have your colors, the gold and the dark browns and the oranges, I mean the browns. And if you really want to go like smoky, you have your colors. So everybody's going to be happy with this palette. I feel like there's a little bit too much of September here. I need to move and add a bit more revenge. Okay, no, not revenge, sorry. The name revenge is just so fun to say. Revenge. I'll go with Spill the Tea. These two, that's Spill the Tea and Strut and Slay. Holding on to faith, yo, I really love the tear duct highlights. I'm using Unbothered and Tear, and I kind of wet my brush a bit. I wanted it to be metro booming like Shayla will say. Under my eye, I was having issues with my camera. I applied Stallion, this blue black here. That's one of Shayla's favorite colors. She's always using it, so I'm just going to intensify it a bit more so you guys can see how I applied it. Let's use a bit of Thick and Culture just to diffuse it. Yeah, makes sense. Time for pose. One dip. Can you see this? Yo, I need to dust it off. Okay, Shayla came for people's edges and their lives and everything. I pray to God to not overdose on this. Brace yourselves, people. Yo. You know, we don't have this big forehead for nothing.
And when it looks as if we can win.
I love this highlight, gosh. Okay, so I saw one of my faves, Monica. She used Thick as blush, and that's what I'm going to do. So she used the orange here. Ooh, it's actually nice. I'm using Colourpop K lip liner. It's like a brown. Ooh. Yo, the pigment though. Sis. Wow. That's like touch. Wow. You see, as much as I love this Shayla X Colourpop, I'm not putting in my professional kit. I'm keeping it all for myself. Ain't nobody gonna use this with me. I'm gonna use it by myself, on myself only. Shayla gave us a gloss because as much as I really love this look, let me take a picture. Sorry, I have to document how warm this is. I am shooketh. Okay, let's just go with the gloss. Oh, yo. Yes, I'm not really a fan of the applicator. I feel like it's moving my lipstick, but it's not sticky. It reminds me so much of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. That one is really non-sticky. It's just that this is moving my lipstick. And it's not sticky or anything. It just really just gloss it up. Gloss. English is hard. What you were saying? What you were saying? Louder please, I can hear you. I just suddenly can hear you. So guys, this is the final look. I don't even know what to say. Shayla and Colourpop went in, like they came for our edges. Thank God my edges is still a bit intact. Perception palette. If you even don't get anything, if you don't get anything from this old Shayla X Colourpop thing, do yourself a favor and get it. Yes, I'm serious. I had to compose a song for it. Get it. That's all I have to say. It is amazing. For the price point, it is solid. Like, I am impressed. This is very, very nice. I love the fact that the names of the colors are both under the colors and at the back of the colors, so that's a plus. I love the packaging. This drip and splashes and the color combinations are just perfect. The way the colors are set up here, you can easily go from the party glam, the vampy looks, the club night out. You can easily go from that crazy looks to the really serene looks. For the Nigerian market, you can go from your Owambe, we call it like party rockers, people that love to party. You can go from this side to the white bridal, very quiet bridesmaids. Do you understand? She kind of divided sides, so you can either either choose the crazy, I want to be adventurous today, smoky eye on a Monday morning, to a very quiet Sunday church look. I feel like this palette is good for if you're just starting makeup and you just want to introduce bits of colors into your routine. This is perfect. And if you're the girl that loves colors, this is still perfect for you. So it's a win-win. So I really don't have any con for this palette. I won't even lie. I bought it with my money, so if I had cons, I'm pretty sure I can shout it out to the world for everyone to hear, but I do not. I'm satisfied. I won't even lie. For the highlight, so it's this big, right? This is my hand. I like the highlight. As you can see, it's popping, and she has two shades. So there's one that is really deep. I think this is the really deep one, and then the gold one, the booming one, I think is for someone a bit lighter than I am. I really like it. It's smooth. It doesn't have that, you know, when you apply some loose highlighters and it has this like flaky look, almost looks like you're applying eyeshadow on your cheeks. It doesn't have that. It's pretty smooth, so it's finely milled. That's one thing I like about it, so that's a plus. For the lip products, me, I'm already sold. I don't have anything else to say. I love it. You already know, if you're a regular on my channel, you know I'm a gloss girl, so yes to the gloss. And I love this nude. I really feel like I need to add some more. Oh yes, why not add a bit more? A bit more. I love it. I love it. And the combination of these two colors and the Colourpop K lip liner, brownness of that lip liner is perfect for dark skin girls like me. That's that. I really love this. Thumbs up, Shayla. I love it, to be honest. And I'm so happy that the black beauty bloggers are killing it with their collab. Like, they are coming all the way through. I love it. So that's that on this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please, I'm begging, kindly click the button, please. Thank you, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you give it a thumbs up, it lets me know what kind of content you guys like. So let me know what you think about this video and what if you're going to be getting this. Oh, for the people in Nigeria, Colourpop does deliver to Nigeria. It took 2 weeks for it to get to me. If you order more than, I think, $50, you get free shipping worldwide. So it was easy for me to get my stuff to Nigeria. So, and it delivered to my doorstep. There was no problem. I've covered every aspect, I think. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for hanging with me. I love you. Peace, kisses, bye. So now let's move to the slow-mo. Is our slow-mo this way or this way? Okay, I think our slow-mo is this way. Bye.
You made a way when our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if there was all. Father, you made a way. You made a way, and we're standing here only because sing it again.